Hi, this is Master Ken. What is DATESYTD, year to date? Microsoft says that it is returns a table that contains a columns of dates for the year to date in the current context. So the syntax is like this. It has the dates as a parameters and year and date. Then it gives you more remarks on this. And there's also a sample. So basically it's this. It has a syntax like this. And well, how about this? So I formatted it so it's easier to read. Now see that the dates is the columns that contains date. Year and date is a literal string with the dates that define the year and date. And there's two examples. So what exactly is that? Well, for example, you have two columns. One is the columns of total quantity, and this is the dates for the year itself. And there is a total quantity year to date using this DEX measure to calculate. And the future times we use the dates YTD. Yes, we want to show total quantity, but we do slightly changes to that total quantity by accumulate it on daily basis. So year to date, and the year end date we specify as the 30 June. It means it's the financial year is ended at 30 June. So as you can see, the two columns as you compare, it comes to this 30th June. It will restart calculate on the 1st of July because it has reached the end of the year end date. So let's take an example here. Okay, so here is there's a total quantity. So the total quantity is right here, and it's just a sum for all the units sold in the order table. And the total year to date is this. So let's just start with matrix. We just do it again, and we have the dates. So we put a date here, and we click here, choose the date type, so it will have the dates. Then we have the total quantity exactly the same, and then if we want to redo this total year, we can just by going to this, click a new measure, and over here we type in total quantity year to date 2, as I already have one here, and I just call it calculate, and the expression is the total quantity. And how do we want to change that? Adjust it. We use the dates, year to date, and then the dates table, the date column, and we are almost there. So go over here and we choose the values, and we go for this quality here, 14. Now okay, so at the moment it will be the same. I'll just drag the second one here, drag here. So at a glance that this and these are the same. See, it's all dragged. So the difference is that when this one comes to 30 of June, it will still continue adding. But when this one comes to 30 of June, it will restart. Why is that so? Because this year to date is based on year to date 2. Year to date 2 does not specify the year end date, so it will take the default, which is 31st December. So as you can see here, this one will recalculate itself on the 1st of January. So we'll recalculate. Okay, So as for this one here, this is based on year to date 2, and it has specified the year end date as 30 June. So therefore, it will recalculate here. This one recalculate on the 1st of January. This one recalculate on the 1st of July. And that is how you use the dates year to date with the two conditions. It works together with the calculate measure, tax measure. Thanks for watching. God bless you. God bless Asia. I thank Jesus for giving me the ability to share.